guys, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, leave a like, and share this video among the friends. And I understand that you can possibly don't have friends, okay, or maybe like not a lot. So I uh, I influence you to make a lot of friends just to share this video, okay? So let's go. So today we are going to finish up with my new PC and basically my server, and I will just show you the videos that I made like of installing him. So first of all, I will try to find this video on my phone, and yeah. By the way, so why did I stop it? I think I explained it, but in general, it was like too loud, and yeah, and also I thought I didn't actually need it, you know. Yeah. Uh, okay, I think I can find it. Uh, yeah, it's quite yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I will just use my cam to. I think what's this one? This one will remain, I think. Wow, what is happening? Um, strange things are happening. Anyway, I need a big wire, you know. Where is this wire coming from? Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. So, um, yeah. So first of all, this is like why is this camera is nice. Yeah. So first of all, as I thought, I connected this server. There is like so yeah, there is like three Ethernet NICs, you know, and yeah, one of them is marked ELO, and ELO is basically um, just special port. Um, it is called like ELO because it's like Intel um, integrated lights out. Yeah, so basically it's uh, yeah, so it's for managing servers, and yeah, basically as you can see, it's Hewlett Packard, and the server that I bought is actually HP Pro, this one. So yeah, so it's HP. So of course it is using this ELO. I cannot see my model, but anyway. Anyway, so this thing is called ELO, and basically how I did it is I actually connected my server to my router. Okay, so I have a router here, you know, and of course my router has this port. You see, currently I have three of them. By the way, I think this one, yeah, this one is not connected. Um, so yeah, so I just connected this one to my server, and yeah, this one is for modem that converts coaxial cable from my wall into Ethernet, and this one for my PC. Yeah, by the way, my PC is located directly in my table, not in. Uh, so here is my table. Yeah, I know it's not seeable, but yeah, so you don't see any PC here. So my PC is actually in this table, and I think I will make a video about my PC and how I set up it into my table. Anyway, So yeah, so I connected my server to my router, and then what I did is I needed to know its IP, right? So how I did it is just opened terminal, and of course I didn't know like the okay, I want big terminal but not like big window, you know. So I didn't of course know his IP. So in order to do that, I just used command ping, and then well of course I looked up my IP stuff, and here you can see this Ethernet stuff. Uh, yeah, so this is like my main interface because I'm using like Ethernet, so it's like called this one. And here you can see I have some IP. In others, I don't have any IP, right? Yeah, so here you don't see anything. So and this one is loopback, right? Because it's like itself. Um, so yeah, the main one is this one, and here you can see like my actual IP in this network. And here is you can see this broadcast. Okay, so in order to understand which devices, I will copy this one. So in order to understand which devices are located in your network, you need to press this one and minus B. Yeah, and that's all. So here you can see like two computers, this one and this one. I guess one of them is my this PC. And yeah, actually we will check it right now. You know what? Why not? We have time. So yeah. So let me see. So it says like this number, right? So let's open this PC. Okay. So we will go to terminal. Or actually no, it has like a very cool GUI, so we will use it. We will go to network, Wi-Fi. Yeah, you see, it is saying, okay, you cannot really see it, but it says like IP address, and here, yeah, I don't know, you cannot probably see it, but it's actually this one. It's actually really this one. So yeah. I also have SSH enabled, and in order to enable SSH, you just go, where do you go? Yeah, I think you go to somewhere here. No, no, not here. Okay, I don't really remember. Uh, Strange that I don't remember stuff, but uh, no, I don't see anything. Ah, maybe here. No. Okay, I'll just search. Oh, yeah, I found. So it is here. Yeah, so you just enable the settings in order to remotely connect, and here you can see your, by the way, IP. Yeah, and that's all. So you just press that everything is connected, blah blah blah, and yeah, that's all. So let's try it actually. So I will connect to this IP from SSH. And I will use account that is there. Why? Okay, let's ping. Okay. Why? Okay, it's pingable, right? Okay, let's remove this one. Okay. So it's reachable, right? But mm, oh, okay. I don't know what I did. I did the same stuff, right? Yeah, I was doing ping. Sorry, guys. Well, you didn't see anything, right? I will remove myself for a while. So yeah, I will press yes. I'll press my secret password. I press it wrong, right? Okay. So yeah, so you can see that I'm at MacBook, right? But you can actually not trust me, right? And yeah, so I will do ls. Okay, so you can see here some folders. So I will open up terminal here as well. So I will open up terminal here as well. I will make it bigger so you will see it very good. Yeah, so you see pretty same stuff here, okay? And now let's create some folder from my main PC. So I will touch lol, and yeah, and now let's check it. Did it actually create it on here? Yeah, you see there at the bottom. Okay, guys, I think that's all on remote control stuff, right? Yeah, I think that's all. So yeah, coming back to our server stuff. So I used this integrated stuff and what so yeah, so I just figure out IP using this method that I showed you, and after that I just went to the this IP from my browser, and here what I got, and this is the web interface of this integrated lights out for HP servers. Okay, so here you have login name and password, and actually they were mentioned on the metal thing on the server itself. So it was not a problem. Well, from start it was, but actually there is like a password. Okay, see here you can also see like it's 2008, 2012. Yeah, and that's yeah. But the main problem with this and the main problem is that I will not show you this process, but I actually like logged into this stuff. But after that, when I tried to actually, there is like some configure tab, which I accept you use for configuring basically your server and basically installing, for example, operating system on it. And it did not succeed because it said like you need Internet Explorer like Microsoft. So yeah, so I think this is because like this is like very old stuff, you know. So that's why you need like Internet Explorer. I mean, in Windows itself, there is like Microsoft Edge, so it's definitely very old, you know. Yeah, and this was the main case. And here on the video, mm, yeah. So in previous video, you remember that that like it was very loudly, and here I think you can see a little bit. I removed fence. So here there was like in some there was like 6 fans, and I removed them, and it was pretty easy. You just pull them and they are removed. They are connected not by wires but by some board, part of board. Yeah, so it's pretty easily removable. I don't know why, but it's really cool. I liked it at all. Yeah, also my subscriber said that those wires, power wires, you don't actually need to connect them all. Okay, and this was, I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool, right? But yeah, so I don't know what to say anymore. Yeah, so here I'm showing like I'm connecting to ELO port. Okay. Yeah, so you saw like there's like two simple and one ELO. And here I'm showing this network stuff. Yeah, I think the rest of the video is, yeah, here you can see like the whole server. Again, it's very huge, you know. So yeah, but the monitor that I connected, you can see here, blue is this VGA connected to external monitor. It doesn't work at all. So I don't. Yeah. So here, by the way, you can see the it started suddenly to work, but it's only said like this picture, and that's all. Yeah. Here, by the way, you can see those 6 fans. Um, yeah. Here, 6 of them. So they're like squares, and you can easily plug them in or plug them out. Um, Pretty easy. Yeah, yeah, that's all right. Yeah, here you can see this sticker on the server, and it says like username, administrator, and password. Also, it is saying DNS name, which I didn't try. It's pretty cool, right? Dynamic resolution name server. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I didn't try that to ping that or to go through the browsers. Um, you don't even need a IP, but I don't know. I'm not sure how does it work. But yeah, but maybe really it's like requesting this DNS name all the time. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I don't know how it works like from Linux side. Okay. Yeah, guys, and that's all. So yeah, basically that's all for my journey of server. And again, I will say I already said that on reading comments stuff, mm, but I will say again. So why don't you wanna buy server? Of course, it is like very, very expensive. Okay, if you will go like and search for yeah, the same HP ProLiant, I mean those are used, but yeah. Anyway, uh, let's even check them. Yeah, so I mean, guys, it's I don't know if it's actually used, but it's cost like 100,000 hryvnias, and I don't know. I understand that probably if you have like dollars, you don't understand this, or rupee, or I don't know anything else, but it's a lot, you know. This is like I don't know, like really a lot. So yeah, so this is like the first point why you don't need to buy them. So I bought this server that I showed you very cheap, like very cheap, like super cheap. I bought it like for 2,000. Okay, so here is like 100,000, and I bought mine for 2,000. Yeah, I see here like it can be less, but yeah, see I see here like okay, maybe let's start. Um, uh, so let's check the cheapest. Okay, the cheapest is pretty cheap. Okay, it's doable. It's like 4,000. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the next point of mine. So the next point of mine is that they are too loud. Okay, maybe if you watched my video of first video of server, they're really loud. Okay, And of course, when I was when I disconnected like all fans, but I don't think it's a good idea, you know. So I'm not sure it's a good idea to disconnect all fans. Okay, so third point, it's very large. So you cannot place it in your desk like I did with my desktop PC. Okay, you cannot place it here. I guess, right? Yeah, it's pretty big. Okay, so this is another point. Um, Third point, uh, operating systems and other stuff like cameras. So I'm not sure. Like there is. I mean, I'm imagining that you can just put like the same Ubuntu desktop that I'm using right now, and that's all, and it will work fine. But I don't really know. Okay, so I don't really know for sure. So in theory, maybe servers are like meant to be only in server rooms, so they don't really need like drivers for cameras and that's all. So yeah, but drivers for camera is coming like in Linux, and yeah, and I think I can show you. So in Linux you can check your drivers by, I will exit from my, okay, I cannot exit. So you can find out drivers is like a models, and in Linux you can do this command. I will place myself here and I will place here. So yeah, so doing this command is just listing all of the modules, and drivers are usually the modules if they are not built in. And I remember that my camera is like called mm, I don't remember how my camera actually. Yeah, like this one. And I can say that this is true because like even in OBS, here you can see video capture. It's like UVC here. Uh, I believe maybe you can see UVC camera, okay? So we can definitely say that this is the driver for my camera. So if I will unload it right now, and actually let's try that. So maybe if I will unload it right now, my cameras will break. Oh, this is really cool. Yeah, let's actually just try that to prove that it's camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Linux unload module. Yeah, it's pretty simple remove module. So UVC sudo remove module UVC. Okay, are you ready? So if it's really like driver for my camera, I accept that my cameras will turn down. Let's try. Okay, nothing happened. Ah, okay, because my password. Yeah, UVC video. What is UVC video, by the way? Okay, it's another module, so let's remove it. Yeah, it's in use actually. And I don't know how it's like uh, in C code how you actually make this, but maybe it's on Linux level, so you just log this module. Yeah, but you can see it's in use, so maybe it's my cameras using it, OBS. Okay, anyway, what we was talking about. Yeah, so I'm not sure that servers, like, you can actually connect to them cameras and all that stuff. Yeah, but this is like not the main point, right? So, okay, let's go from the beginning. It's expensive, it's big, it's loud, and I don't think you can easily like remove fans and it will like work normally. Third one, it's Uh, it is pretty old, so if you will buy like not expensive, it will be old. Um, yeah. And yeah, another one is you will. I don't think you'll have a chance to use it like a desktop. So maybe some programs, maybe some operating system will not fit. I don't know. Yeah, and basically that's all. Well, yeah, and and the main one maybe. So as I said, when I connected monitor, it doesn't any do anything. So it actually, as I understand, doesn't have any BIOS. So even BIOS, you don't have BIOS, so you cannot like easily boot from USB drive as you do in your desktop. So as I said, I think the only way to upgrade operating system is to use this integrated lights out, but you need like second computer for it, right? So you definitely cannot like replace wholly your desktop with this server because if you want to upgrade your operating system anytime, you will have to use another PC, and it's kind of hard, you know. So you will have to have two PCs. So yeah, I think that's all like of the minuses. And again, I did not like actually install like operating system, so I didn't check like further. So yeah, so that's all. Uh, yeah, I think that's all for this video. So we discussed why you should not use server, and we discussed my experience with it. Mhm. So yeah, so put a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video among the friends. And if you have like less than 5 friends, you need to make another 5, okay, at least, and there share to them as well. Okay.